1 minute and 25 seconds, 35, there it is, and it should shut off just like that. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm looking at an item that Naipo did send me and did compensate me to make this review for you. It's a really nice quality inflator. Let's get to it. It's a nice size, you can see here. All the accessories are included here. This is a really interesting one. It has lights. It gives you can inflate multiple items. Really high quality stuff here. 7,800 milliamp rechargeable battery in here that you can charge all your devices as well as inflate your tires. Really fast response. That's really important. It has a lot of good features in this item. Really quite a bit. So let's just go over quickly. And I'm going to go out and actually do my car. So stay with me. I'm going to stick with me. I'm going to show you exactly what I'm talking about. It has a bag, all the different accessories, a hose, and the actual device itself. Again, a really nice quality item. Now the idea behind this, it has a one-click operation. Basically, you plug it in, you set your tire pressure where you want it, and then it reads the pressure in your tire and then stops automatically when it reaches that actual tire pressure, which is really nice. So it's a 5+N intelligent modes. Okay, 5 different modes you can do, 3 types of units, different types of units, and also 2-line display. And we'll go over all that in a few seconds. We'll show you that in a minute. Again, you can power up your devices, your iPads, your phones, whatever. You have a backup power in the back. It has here roughly in the back at the USB-C here and a USB right here. Both of these are 5 volt, 2 amps each. Okay, that's what this says in the bottom of that. Again, easy to plug in, has a built-in light, which is really nice. I'll show you that in a second. And just an all-around cool thing. Again, cars, motorcycles, bikes, balls, and also manual types of items between 3 PSI and 150 PSI, like air mattresses. If you have to blow up an air mattress, all comes with different accessories that come in here as well. So you can see all types of options that have come in this kit, which is really nice and hard to find. And this price point is actually a really nice quality. Again, so here's the box it comes in. It comes with a little bag. A little bag that you keep in the car. As you can see here, there's the bag. You keep this in the car. Keep this in your trunk. That's what I would do. This is the device itself. Here is the flex hose here that actually goes into, you screw it on top of here. Really easy. Here is the light. So this just screws right on top like this. Is one, just type this, just screw this in. You can keep it on or keep it off. Totally up to you how you want to do that. This is how it screws in like that. Also, it does come with some different accessories here for balls and different things that you need to inflate, things like that. And the USB-A to USB-C charger cable. It comes with that. Also comes with the user manual, but really simple to use, guys. This is really a really nice quality item. I like the weight of it. It feels pretty heavy. It's got, like I said, a large battery. It's a nice large display on here. Now I'll turn it on for you real quick. Hold the button down to turn it on. As you can see, it is all lit up there. It tells you the battery power. It's what it's set at. This is what you set the air at, and this will tell you the actual temperature, the actual air pressure in the tire. So you have all that feedback, which is super important. Now, if you want to go up and down the air pressure, you just press here, starts blinking, then you can turn it up, like you see here, up like that, turn it down. So my car, I believe it's 35 pounds. It's at 35 pounds, and it automatically shuts off once it reaches 35 pounds, which is really good. Here's that light I was telling you about. There's that light. Here's a light. Emergency, it has an SOS feature. Right there, SOS it'll do, or it'll do like a fast blinking like that, like an emergency blinking. So it does all different things like that as well. The overall build is good. I came in almost fully charged. It took me about maybe 15 minutes to top it off, which I recommend definitely topping this off. It does have a little plastic thing on here that you can peel it off if you want to. A little piece of paper here. Just peel that off and you can see a little plastic here. So let me just take that off. Take that off so you can see it better. And you can just see how nice and clear that is now. That's really super clear. You can see the PSI right there. Hold it down. Again, I'll show you one time. Bar. You can see right there. Hold it down again. And then you get the KPA. Hold that back down again. And we're back to PSA. And just tap it. You want to do car. There's a car, a motorcycle, bicycles, and balls. So just like that. So really easy. So it's a long press and then the short presses get you going. And that's really it. That's all there is to it. Okay, let's go to the car. Hey guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It means a lot to me. I do all types of reviews, all types of tech, how to, and just basically a little bit of everything to teach you a little bit about everything that I do. That's what we do here on the review channel, to help educate you, inform you, and motivate you to make decisions when you're shopping online. And that's what this video is about, to help you make your decisions online. So if you like something like this, there'll be a link in the shop right below here, and the YouTube has a shop. Check out that shop. Takes you right to the site where you can go ahead and purchase that if you like this type of item. Okay guys, we're in the garage right now, and I have the pump here. I have a light. I have a timer. We're going to time everything here. I let some air out of the tire. What I like about this one right away is that when you put this on, you screw it on the threads, just like you putting on a cap on your tire. For your valve stem, this actually just pops right on. This actually screws down. I like that. That's the first thing I do like. A lot of them don't have that. So I'm very impressed with that. That's really good. So all you have to do is basically just put it on, and you just screw it on like you would any valve cover or valve cap. To just take this on, you just screw it on. So I like that. So as soon as I put this on, you got to see. So that is on, and it just moves around, which is nice. I like that. So I'm going to turn this on, hit the power, turn it on. Okay, now it's going to read the tire pressure. It's 31.5, and I have it set for 35 pounds. That's the tire pressure for this car, 35 pounds. So here is the light like I was telling you about. Here's the light. You can see the light, right? So if it's dark, there's the flashlight, the emergency SOS, and then you have the flash, the blinking. There's the light. You can see that. So that's really nice. So let's put this here. And I'm going to get my timer. Here is my timer. And we are going to run this and see how long it takes to fill this up to 35 pounds of air. That's what we're here to test. Let's do that right now. I got the camera set up. I got the timer ready to go. Here's the car. And let's see if I can do this at the same time. 3, 2, 1. Going pretty fast, 32 pounds already. There's the timer. Going pretty good, not too hot. Still got a full battery. Now we want to get to 35 PSI, that's our goal. 32.5. 33, it's actually going very well. 33.5, it's really cranking along pretty good. And this keeps going. 42 seconds, that's pretty good. 33.5. 34. About a minute. Battery's a little bit down, but it's still going. Still cranking. 34.5. And when it hits the 35, it will stop. So this is no problem handling it. No issues at all. Still cranking along. 1 minute and 25 seconds. 35. There it is. And it should shut off just like that. Perfect. So that was pretty good. Now the hose is hot, and that's to be expected. So it's pretty warm. That's pretty warm. That's pretty normal. So I think it did exactly as it's intended to do. I mean, what do you guys think? I mean, again, it's fine. It went down 1 bar. It's 4 bars here. It went down 1 bar. Filled it about 3.5 pounds of air. The hose is warm, but it still did a great job. The unit itself is cool, not hot at all. And I like when it shuts off automatically. That is a really good big deal. Again, pumping a lot of air. It's been pretty quick. I've done some other tests with different ones, and they didn't do as good as this one. This one did a really great job. So I'm going to say it's definitely a good deal. What do you guys think? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed this type of review. I think this is a good pump. It did exactly as intended. If you're low on air, you need a quick emergency pump, this is what you need. And you still can use it for the back. You got plenty of power in the back here to use it and to charge and to do all kinds of different things with toys and pool toys and all kinds of different options. So I think it's great. I'm going to give it a thumbs up. I love it. And I think it's a great deal. Hope you enjoyed the review. Appreciate your time as always. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to follow me for more. And if you're interested, there's a link in the shop down below. Thanks for watching. Make it a great day.